Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to remove shipping fee in TikTok Shop. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So in order to do that, what we can do is you can head over in here on our products. Now click on manage products right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see the products that you have. So for me, I'll just click on this product right here in order to edit the tab. So click on edit right here. And then this will open the page for that specific product. So in here, let's just wait for that to load right here, and you can see in here that it's successfully loading. So it will present us with the actual product page for our product. So just scroll down in that, and then from there you should be able to see a shipping option. So as you can see, here's the shipping, so you can make this right here. So automatically it is on default. So if you can also do custom right here. And then on this custom right here, you can choose this shipping fee right here based on the dimensions that you put, or you can also put something more in order to add the free shipping right here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.